Hi, my name is Tom Samin. I'm the Sales and Marketing Director at Basalte, Belgian company. And we are here at ISE 2025, and I'm really happy to introduce you Adalante. Adalante is our luxury door station for the high-end residential segment. It is completely modular in its setup. It is built around multiple cameras, a wide-angle security camera. We also have a FaceTime camera, and it's integrated fully with Basalte Home.
So it can be outside your door? Where does it go?
Yeah, it's a freestanding pole, as you see it here, or you can integrate it on the wall, as you see. So you can, this is semi-recessed, built into the wall. But the magic really is when you press the diamond in the ring. It's like this is a doorbell. When you ring it, you have a FaceTime camera, and this FaceTime camera films you when you're at the front door. So you see, you can position yourself properly. You see who's at the back for security reasons. And this shot, this video goes to the inside of the home so that the homeowner really sees who's at the front door. When you're a homeowner and you come home, you can access the home or with a batch reader. So you use the batch reader behind the front door and the door unlocks, or you use a PIN code to unlock the door so that you can enter the home.
Nice.
So here we show, at the ISE, we show it in a very specific RAL color. So we have multiple RAL color possibilities to make it fancy, beautiful door station. Luxury.
It needs the power. It's getting power down there?
Yeah, it's PoE, so you need PoE, and for the lights and for the house number you need 24 volts.
Nice.
So it's a
and
combination.
networking can come through the same cable, potentially?
Sorry?
Power over Ethernet? Oh, no, not
It's
like
PoE
that.
cable, yeah, PoE,
Yeah.
Cat6 cable. So
Right.
here you see some other extra devices. For example, this is a fingerprint reader to access the home. We also have, again, the door number. We have a numeric keypad to enter the home. And of course, this is also a batch reader where you can put your RFID card.
And here in the front, you're showing a big home theater system with
it's
a high quality sound, right?
Exactly, high quality sound. 2 F5 speakers, high quality 800 watt speakers with 400 watts in the bass.
Yeah, sorry, the sound is so loud.
With 400 watt in the bass, 200 watt in the twits, and 200 watt in the mids. Beautifully designed with special fabrics from Kvadrat and Gabriel, two Danish brands, and then also a very beautiful finish, some metallic finish.
It's your TV?
No, it's an LG television, but we designed the TV stand. The TV stand is called Atlas, and there's a very beautiful cable management at the back so that you don't see anything, everything is beautifully hidden. But this is very beautiful sound, high performance.
Is this the right
speakers.
angle to use, or it's adjustable?
No, it's a
angle?
fixed position. It's fixed position, very, very pure, very elegant, I think. The combination is beautiful. These are really beautiful stereo setup.
And the sound quality is
high quality, really
is your
good.
design?
It's our design. Yeah, of course. Yeah, we did the design from A to Z.
All right.
It's produced in Belgium.
Nice.
And over there we also have some nice speakers. This is what we call rondo, and a rondo is a playful combination of in-wall speakers. So this is a setup of speakers where you have different finishes. So you have the matching finishes with the outlets or with the light switches, polished aluminium, brass, white, with some special fabrics. So we have some special fabrics, the same fabrics as the previous one from the F5 speaker, but we also introduce a middle version. So in this setup we have 4 passive speakers in the wall, beautifully finished in a playful combination. So this is really something for the interior designers. Really good sounds. They are full range speakers, so passive speakers though, but really good. If you put them in a good position, really good quality.
You can put them in different walls in the room?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. You don't necessarily need to spread them out like this. You can also individually position them in the wall and also in the ceiling.
Nice.
So really good. Here you see some other setup of some speakers. This is a bass, subwoofer, some sort of a soundbar. So it all fits perfectly together, and that's what Basalte stands for. It's like a beautiful mix of design and technology. That's what we stand for.
How long has your company making sound?
We've been making sound for, let's say, 5 to 7 years. Yeah.
All right. And here we see
Yeah, this is Ellie. This is our touch display. So in line with the keypad, with a light switch, and with a step light, it's all perfectly in line. And this is really what Basalte stands for. So this is a Sentido touch sensitive light switch. So you touch it with your full hand, multi-touch as we call it. You put the lights on or you shut the lights off. And then here the touch display is really to control the full home. So you have a really beautiful app that runs on it. It's our own designed UI, where you can go from the main page to the dedicated rooms. You go click on the room and you go into the room controller. So you really have the full control of the full room. You can control the temperature very easy. You can control the music. Choose your favorite stream, choose your favorite radio channel. So with this you have a full overview and full control of the full home. And this is the bigger version. This is a 2.2 inch version. This one is called Lena. Exactly the same application. Very friendly UI. Your favorite home scenes. When you are away, you just click and the whole house goes to sleep.
Did you say 10.2?
10.2 inch, yeah. This on the second screen, you also have some possibility to go and look for the cameras, all the security cameras that you have. You have the history of the incoming calls from the door station. So this really groups all the devices and all the devices that you have.
What is the IoT platform or strategy that you do? Is it like using Zigbee or?
No, this is wired. This is PoE. This is all
PoE.
cabled. Yeah, we have our own backend, we have our own server, we have our own processor where we run the whole system on. So the
Nice.
door station, the touch display, everything is combined on the Core Plus or the Core Mini server.
And what's playing on the big screen there? Is it your
Big screen,
brand?
it's our brand video, which is called the Love Story that is playing there. So in this video, you get a good view on, let's say on a day with Basalte Home, when you interact with the products, what happens with the person. They wake up, they go to sleep, what happens in the course of the day when you interact with our products.
Is this the meeting rooms area? Or
Yeah,
what's
in
up
this
over
corner,
here?
we show a, let's say a new and a deeper integration with, on
Bang
the
&
one
Olufsen.
side with Kasambi wireless technology. So we have a Kasambi wireless technology integration, and we have a deeper integration with Bang & Olufsen speakers and televisions in
You
our
work with them?
software. Excuse me?
You work with Bang & Olufsen?
No, we don't work directly with them, but we integrate their products into our software system.
All right, so it's easy to combine this
It's
and this?
easy to combine, yeah. They speak the same design language, exactly. And on this side again, you see the Rondo, and we also see some active speakers with different stands. This is more a horizontal version of the speaker, the vertical foot. In combination, you see the same design language, the fabrics of Adalante and Gabriel.
What is the thinking with the fabric?
Excuse me?
What is the strategy when they design fabric like this?
The design fabric like this is to give the interior designer the option to choose and to match the curtains or your sofa that you have. You can have the matching fabric. This is a standard collection from Adalante and Gabriel.
Does it affect the sound?
Yeah, it's of course optimized. It's a bit transparent in terms of sound, so that the sound really goes through it. That's one. And two, it also keeps its structure. So when the pattern and the structure that you have, it's really pretty dense, but also quite transparent.
Nice. All right. And here's a meeting area?
And here is some meeting area where we have more like we call the Genius Desk. Here we go much more in depth with the system integrators on the programming software, on the hardware, and we also show the hardware devices that we have. So we have some hardware devices, we have our own amplifiers, we have our own server. We show some new...
Is it a server?
No, these are the amplifiers. This is a server, this is our Core Mini server.
And it's got an embedded system in there?
Yes, here you run the whole system on. So this is the server. When you go to the Core Plus server, this is the Core Plus. The Core Plus server is being used for multi-room audio. This is basically it. And then we also have some new integration DALI, Modbus DMX IP gateways. So this will make the life of the system integrator much easier in terms of connecting DALI lights into our software system.
Nice. It's not a DALI speaker.
No, it's not a DALI. No,
It's
not at all.
Is it over internet?
Yes, it's IP. It's IP, PoE. So it's PoE connected, and then you have two buses of 64 addresses where you look for the lights.
Nice, and it's showing a little bit your back
Yes,
studio.
this is a little bit Basalte Studio, the way we set up the programming, the way we set up the home, the different floors, the different rooms that you have, the way you build up the logic. So this is what we offer to the system integrator. There's a lot of value in that from Basalte for the system integrator as well, to make it as easy as possible to make your programming with Basalte.